Hi there, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video I'll show you how to replace the door handle on an LG washing machine. If your door handle is broken, loose or simply not working properly, you'll need to replace it to get your appliance up and running again. Thankfully it's a very simple fix that you can do yourself at home as long as you know the steps to take. Let's take a look. To carry out a washing machine door handle replacement, you'll need a few tools. These are a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Of course, you'll also need a new door handle, which you can find on the eSpares website at the link in the description below. And remember, safety first, always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. To remove and replace the door handle, you need to take the door and the door hinge off the appliance. For that, you'll need your Phillips screwdriver to undo the two screws that hold them both in place. Next, separate the two parts of the door by undoing the 6 Phillips head screws. To separate the two pieces of the door, you may want to use a flat-headed screwdriver, but do be gentle when doing this as you can crack the door panels. Next, I need to remove the pin that runs through the spring and the door handle by using a flat-headed screwdriver. Simply push against the pin at one end and then using a pair of pliers, pull it out from the other end. With the pin removed, you can now separate the door hook, the door handle spring and the door handle itself. Make sure to keep hold of the hook and the spring, as a new door handle might not come with them. When replacing the door handle on your LG washing machine, it's vital that you know your appliance's model number. This will ensure that you're getting the correct part for your exact machine. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your appliance, check out our handy video here. With your new door handle, you can then reassemble the spring, the door hook, and then feed the pin through. With the handle securely in place, it's time to screw the panels back together. Just make sure the little bump on the outer rim of the door glass slots into the small cutout in the outer panel beforehand. Then screw the panels back together with the 6 screws you removed earlier. So there we have it. It's as simple as that. How to fix a washing machine door handle on an LG washing machine. Hopefully your machine is now working as good as new. Now, while we're on the subject of washing machine doors, they can experience other problems too, such as being stuck shut when you try to open it. If you're experiencing such a problem, our handy video here can help you out. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more maintenance advice, repair guides and everything related to eSpares. Thanks for watching.